Swissgear invests in the best technology and latest fashion trends to deliver exceptional travel backpacks. We have tested 5 products from Swissgear and can hand down suggest that the 19.0 ScanSmart Laptop Backpack is the best Swissgear backpack for travel. We like this bag and feel it is highly suitable for traveling because it scans smart technology that makes it feasible for long trips. There are a lot of different factors that analyzes go into making the perfect decision for laptop bags. With so many different backpack on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best Swissgear laptop bags, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 laptops backpack on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. We will also provide some tips on why Swissgear laptop bags is best for traveling. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Swissgear ScanSmart Laptop Backpack. The Swissgear 19.0 ScanSmart Laptop Backpack has a heavily padded back panel with airflow venting technology. The bag has a rugged molded grab handle that helps in the easy holding of the bag with grip. This backpack has a front carabiner, quick access zip pocket, and side accessory pockets for water bottle storage. On the inside, it contains a file holder, media pocket with headphone port, and padded laptop compartment. The capacity of the backpack is 31 liters. It is well designed with ScanSmart technology that is useful during traveling through airlines for easy scanning. This bag is highly suitable for traveling and highly durable. The ScanSmart technology is the key feature of the backpack, making it suitable for traveling. The Swissgear 19.0 ScanSmart Laptop Backpack has many compartments that are useful for storage. It is ideal for emergency traveling to onboard a flight with limited necessary accessories. The bag is made with good quality material that makes it highly durable. Product number 2. Swissgear 5358 Laptop Backpack. The Swissgear 5358 ScanSmart Laptop Backpack comes with a USB port for easy charging. This bag has a padding protection shoulder strap and a rugged wire handle to carry on the upper side. It is specially featured with a trolley strap to easily roll the bag on ramps instead of carrying it on the shoulders. The backpack is externally designed with a USB port, attachment tab for a safety light, highly crush-resistant sunglasses compartment, and water bottle pocket. This backpack is designed with several storage pockets for accessories, a collapsible shoe pocket, and an organized compartment in the front. The bag has the exclusive ScanSmart technology helpful for easy scanning during airline travel. The backpack is sturdy and comfortable. The Swissgear 5358 ScanSmart Laptop Backpack is suitable for carrying a laptop during traveling. It is made with good material, and it is highly durable. The USB port makes it useful for laptop and tablet easy charging. Product number 3. Swissgear 15-inch Laptop Backpack. The hybrid backpack is suitable for a person who has to travel regularly for business trips. The interior attracts the organized compartments, while the exterior gives the appearance of a usual backpack. This backpack can be used as an office bag by tucking away the shoulder straps and carrying the side handle. The Swissgear Hybrid Laptop Backpack is exclusively helpful for work purposes with easy adjustments and provides travel comfort. It contains several compartments useful for storing a smartphone, passport, glasses, and other essentials. The bag is expandable and bigger, easy enough to hold many essential accessories. The Swissgear Hybrid 15 inches Laptop Backpack is suitable for traveling for work purposes. The backpack is lighter in weight to carry. The backpack can be used as an office bag as well, just by tucking away the shoulder straps and holding the side holder to take it. It has several compartments, making enough room for proper organization of the necessary accessories. Product number 4. Swissgear Women Laptop Backpack. The Swissgear 3576 Arts Vintage is a specially designed backpack suitable for people who love fashion. It is a fashion-friendly doctor bag with a wide-opening zippered top design. The top of the bag has handles to grab, and the bag has 2 side bottle pockets. This backpack has a 12 inches padded laptop sleeve, a front quick access pocket, and other pockets for storage. The storage capacity of the backpack is 21 liters. This backpack is very comfortable for carrying necessary things like pens, books, laptops, or tablets. The bag reaches the current fashion style, making it look attractive and easy to use. The Swissgear Arts Vintage Laptop Backpack is water resistant and highly durable. The bag is stylish, and most women find it attractive and comfortable. The backpack can be used for regular usage and is best suitable for doctors who need to reach the hospital in a hurry. This bag has a wide opening and a holder on the top that makes it easy to carry in hand. Product number 5. Swissgear 5505 Laptop Backpack. The Swissgear Cecil 5505 Laptop Backpack is available at a reasonable price with good quality. It is crafted from rigid 600D ripstop polyester material that makes the bag highly sustainable. This backpack is ideal for students, professionals, as it comes with a spacious 3-compartment silhouette. This helps in storing every necessary accessory and individual needs. It has space to store a 15 inches laptop with complete padded protection. The backpack has stretchable side pockets for water bottles and quick-access organizers. It is highly comfortable with a breathable ventilating back system. This bag is solid and sturdy for regular use. It has an extensively attractive look that is suitable for the youngsters to choose with interest. The Swissgear Cecil 5505 Laptop Backpack is ideal for undergraduate students who need to carry laptops and other essential things for school. The spacious 3 compartments of the backpack make it easy to organize the accessories into different compartments and pockets. The bag has ventilating back system that provides sufficient breathability. The bag is made with rigid 600D ripstop polyester material that makes it highly durable.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price, and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.